Praise the Lord, friends. Greetings from Father Franklin D'Souza from the Diocese of Shimoga. By the grace of God, from last 22 years that I am in this preaching ministry. And when I read the miracles of Jesus or healings of Jesus, which I preached and God gave me this inspiration, I started writing articles, and those articles published in local magazines. And at the end, I put those things into book form. In Kannada, Shuddhanagu, in Konkani, Nitalza, and in English, Be Healed. So I have planned these 10 chapters as 10 talks for you, so that you may experience the healing touch of Jesus. We will start in Divyavani live YouTube channel. On every Thursday evening 7 o'clock, this will be telecasted in this channel. For I, the Lord, am your healer. Exodus 15:26, God says. And in Psalm 147:3, He heals the brokenhearted, binds up their wounds. When man feels it is impossible for him, God, through the miracles in the Bible, proclaims that everything is possible to him. Wisdom of Solomon 16:12. For indeed neither herb nor application cured them, but your all healing word, O Lord. For just as the Father has life in himself, so also he gave to his Son the possession of life in himself. John 5:26. Moreover, He is the truth, the way, the light, the life, and the resurrection. Jesus has revealed through His miracles that He is the life. I'm going to talk to you these 10 chapters, and the chapters are Jairus' daughter and the woman who touched Jesus' cloak, Mark chapter 5:21 to 43. Second chapter, blind beggar gets sight, Luke 18:35-43. Third, Jesus the forgiver of sins, the healer of ills, Mark chapter 2:1-12. Fourth chapter, the rising of Lazarus, John chapter 11:1-44. Fifth chapter, the Canaanite woman's faith, Matthew chapter 15:21-28. Sixth chapter, Simon and Jesus, Luke chapter 5:1-11. Seventh chapter, cure on a Sabbath, John chapter 5:1-14. The cleansing of a leper, Matthew chapter 8:1-4. Ninth chapter is Zacchaeus and Jesus, Luke chapter 19:1-10. And the 10th chapter, the wedding at Cana, John 2:1-12. So you are going to experience His healing touch as you reflect on these miracles. So I wish you all the best. Subscribe this channel, Divyavani Live YouTube channel, and I will send you the link, and this link will be forwarded to you on your WhatsApp, on my Facebook page, on Divyavani Live Facebook page. So be prepared to experience the miracles of Jesus. So may God bless you, and kindly pray for this project.